Alright, let's go. What's up, YouTube? My name is Ty, financial professional. Welcome to my channel. Alright, what up, everyone? What up, Swirls? What's up? And Eddie, what's up?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thank you guys for being here. Appreciate everyone, as always. And, yeah, so I'm looking at... So, if you guys are in Discord... Well, you guys are in Discord. Yeah, so Eddie, I think you're in at, what, 1260? So, I think you literally caught the top there. Very, very good price. Unfortunately, I'm down about 15% right now. I jumped in way too early. I'm in at 11. So, I am currently down. But come back for me. So, you know, this is an ETF. This stuff is not supposed to move like this. So, this is pretty crazy. The amount of price action. What should we call it? Don't want to get demonetized here. MJ ETF is not supposed to move like this. So, this is pretty crazy. And it's holding up really well here. Like, it moved up to almost 13. Was way overbought. And now it's at 55 RSI at around 12.15. So, yeah, really didn't pull back much. And it's looking pretty strong right now. So, actually, I sure hope we do not... I hope we do not squeeze tomorrow. Because I do remember that did happen last year. I think in February, we did have a 420 squeeze. Which lasted about 2 or 3 days. And I think Tilray went up to 70, if I remember correctly. So hopefully that's not the case here. It does not appear like it is, but yeah, this is holding up really well right now. What up, Koya? What's up? What stock you talking about? Well, I'm just talking about the 420 stocks in general, but specifically MSOS. I shorted that one down right before the market closed, and currently down about 15%. So that's a 420 ETF. So yeah, everyone loading up on the 420 right now. All right, guys. So appreciate everyone for being here. All right. So today is Thursday, October 6th, 2022. I'm your host, Ty, and this is Smarter Gambling. And what up, Wen? What's up? And everyone else who just came in.
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you, as always. Okay. The hell was I just saying? Oh, yeah. So today is Thursday, October 6th. And today we're doing the show from Ramenistan. Once again, every single day it seems like Ramenistan. With a few tendy towns here and there. So yeah, Ramenistan today, all major indexes in the red. I'm not sure how crypto did actually, but all major indexes in the red here, and this is kind of bad. Everything down about 1%. So yes, more Ramenistan. Can't say so for myself. I did pretty well today, which we'll get to in a second here, minus the this last part with MSOS, but it is pulling back now, hopefully. So yeah, we'll get to that in a second. So I hope you guys held up pretty decently today. Hope you guys made money. If not, hope you guys didn't lose that much. But yeah, I did really, really well today. So excited to share with you guys. Okay. So today's show should be about hour and a half to 2 hours. Probably closer to 2 hours, depending on how many people come in and chat. Thursdays are one of the better days for streaming, so I do expect a good amount of people to come in today. Although today was a bearish day, so usually, you know, during red days, retail doesn't like to come out. So we'll see. But yeah, it should be hour and a half to 2 hours. I don't have too much content for you guys today. It's going to be similar to yesterday, just not as long. So, as always, we'll be doing our daily stock and crypto reviews. Today we have 3 articles. One about Terra Luna, and Do Kwon and his associates. The feds, the South Korean police are starting to move in on that. So yeah, got an update there. Then we got an article about the jobs reports. Well, tomorrow's jobs reports, I think. Yeah. It says Friday's jobs reports. So an article about the jobs reports, and then last article about Biden and the 420, which I'm sure you guys have already heard by now. But yeah, that's breaking news. Biden and his 420. So we'll get to that. So yeah, only 3 articles today. And then the only TA we're gonna do today is PEGY. And honestly, I was even debating doing that because we did it yesterday. But really, it was the only stock worth talking about today. There were a few honorable mentions. There was IMBI, iMedia Brands, but chart didn't look too good there. And then AMV, which is the Atlas Motor Vehicles, which is the electric motorcycles made by Harley Davidson. So yeah, the only thing we're talking about today is PEGY. I was just going to do SPY. I was just going to pull I was just going to be lazy today. But PEGY did have a lot of price action, so we'll analyze that again today. And that was number 3 on StockTwits. Although, not many mentions, 2,700. But yeah, we're going to do PEGY. Shouldn't take too long. Not nearly as long as yesterday because got all the TA done and all my notes right here. Yesterday I was a bit unprepared. But yeah, shouldn't take too long. Got all my notes right here. And then we'll get to the Yolos. And Yolos are really good today. Well, a lot of memes at least. So we have quite a few Yolos. So we have 15 Yolos. A lot of memes. A lot of gain corn and lost corn. The content on Wall Street Bets was really good today. So excited for that. That should be fun. What up, Ken? What's up?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thanks, Brandon, dude. Appreciate you, as always. GGE good to short. That's Green Giant, right? I would say no. Well, yes, based on the price action, but no based on the lack of news. So, generally speaking, I only like to go for things that are popping on good PR. And there's no reason why Green Giant should be moving this hard. So it's definitely getting squeezed, but nothing company specific. So I would say yes and no. Personally, I wouldn't go for it, but based on the price action, it does appear like it is a good short. So good luck to you there, dude. All right, let's do it, guys. You Rainbow Bear is going to short Tilray? No, not Tilray, but we are short MSOS, which is a 420 ETF. So close enough. It's going bad right now, for me at least. It's going bad for me. Eddie's up. I think these days it's down a little bit. But, so we are shorting the 420, just not Tilray specifically. Anyone buy the adult Happy Meal? Such a ripoff. What's an adult Happy Meal? You mean like the Mighty Kids meal? Isn't that what it's called? I have not had a Happy Meal in probably 20 years. Okay, guys, let's do it. And before we begin, please like the video, please subscribe, and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. All right, let's go. Boom. Let me fix this up. McDonald's offer a new adult Happy Meal? Since when? I did not see anything. I mean, I don't really eat fast food anymore, but I haven't seen any advertisements or anything about that. So what do you get? Like 2 cheeseburgers and a drink and fries? Does sound like ripoff. I mean, all fast food is pretty much ripoff at this point. A meal costs you like $15 here in New York at least. I'm like, bro, are you kidding me? Who's paying that?
Bruh.
Okay, I got calls. Let me sell them first. So, are you up on those? When? I saw you posted on Discord, but I didn't actually see if you're up or down. I'm not sure if you bought lotto tickets and this came back for you, or you actually hit the jackpot here. Anyway, congrats to you, dude. Really happy for you. And yeah, it's nothing personal, I just want these tendies. Although it's not working out so far. But yeah, congrats to you, dude. Big Mac or 10-piece chicken nugget. That's it. Not even... You know what's stupid? The 10-piece chicken nugget is like... What, like $5, right? And then the 20-piece is like $5.20 or $5.30 or something. So you might as well get the 20-piece, right? Or like $5.50. I don't know. I never understood that. The toy is plastic and doesn't do anything. What kind of toy is it? Why are you giving adults toys? Unless they're adult toys. Big Macs or nugget, $13. What a ripoff. Up 128 at close. Only 4 calls, no worries. We're all trying to make money. Nice, dude. Congrats. Give you the money here. Look it up. Adult Happy Meals are the craze. I believe you, dude. I just never heard of that before. I've only heard of Mighty Kids Meal. What up, Zach? What's up? Appreciate you. When DXY guh, effing guh. Tired of this poop. Honestly, dude, the dollar is pretty strong. Only because every other country has to buy dollars. You know, the dollar is the currency of the world. For now, at least. So, while every other country, you know, is messing up their economies and everything's going into chaos, we're chilling. We're able to raise interest rates without crashing our economy. Yet, at least. Because everyone buys the dollar. So, we are a special exception here. This only applies to us. Because the dollar really should not be, up that much. But special circumstances. Alright, so let's do a quick scan first. Hope I didn't miss any rainbow bearing. We're already 15 minutes in the show. I'm lagging a little bit here. Probably gotta restart my computer later. Scan. Alright, so MOTS is going down nicely in the aftermarket here. Stab is going down nicely. FSI went down nicely. Finally. Needed that one. Finger went down nicely. Finger's at 7 now, dude. Wow. Alright. Anything going on? I did see this. NVIV. This halted before the market closed. Why is it mooning so hard? That's weird. Oh, we got something here. PSTV. PSTV. Oh, never mind. It got upgraded. Yep, that would do it. Disappointing. What else? Alright, I don't really see anything else here. AEHR. That's not too much price action, though. No, that's just earnings. Alright, so nothing really going on here just yet in the pre-market, or post-market, my bad. Let's do a scan here on Market Chameleon. I do not know why I'm lagging so hard today. Should have restarted my computer. That's alright. Am I downloading any Windows updates right now? Why am I lagging so hard? Alright, nothing going on here. Cool, so we'll come back to this. Alright, let's do my plays today. Sober, stab. I played a lot of stuff today. And I'm still trying to get GSI. It's at 19. I'm trying to get that at 20. Okay, FSI, MOTS, that's what, okay. Alright, so today I made 11 plays, or I was in 11 positions, which is pretty insane. It usually doesn't get that much. So I did close a bunch out. I'm only still currently holding 6. But yeah, today I did play 11 stocks. So let's run through it. So ATXI, I finally covered this one today in the morning at 8. I kind of panic covered because it was going the other way, and I was happy with 40% profit there. But of course, after I cover that, then it goes down to 6 now. It's at 620 now. So I could have made another like 15% there, another $300. So you know, not complaining, but damn, dude. Really, I should have held everything, to be completely honest. So there's a FNGR, which crazy price action today. Was trading between 7 and 8 all day. It does finish down here at 719 to end the day. So I made 400 on that today, 390 on finger. And then KITT. So KIT. So I shorted this one yesterday at around 5, like 485, I think. 490 around there. So today it started going pretty bad. Yeah, this moved up to 7. It started squeezing in the morning. It got an upgrade. I forgot from who, but it got an upgrade. You guys know I don't play that upgrade stuff, so I did get lucky, and I had a buy stop at 7 and a cover at 6, and it almost got to 7 a few times, but fortunately it did come back down to 6. So I did lose $400 there, 20%. But way better than 40%. $800. So I did save myself $400 there. But I'm a bit upset because if I didn't cover, this is now down to 530. So I could have made saved another 15%, another 300, and I'd only be down 100 right now. That's all right. You know, I wouldn't have done it differently. I think I played that one pretty well. Whenever there's a hedge fund upgrade, I don't play around. I just get out as fast as I can. So yeah, so I lost 400 there. So up 800 on ATXI, down 400 on, up 400 on Finger, down 400 on KIT, KITT, AERC. So another one that I kind of panic covered today. So my average is 455. This was pushing. This got into the $5 range. It was going the wrong way. I got kind of scared, and I just set the cover to 450 for a small profit, very, very small profit. I just wanted to escape the trade. And of course, after I cover, it goes down to $4 now. So I could have made 10% there. Missed out on $200 there. Sober, SOBR. So I shorted that one yesterday, I think, 286. Not really moving, so I did cover that one today at 275. $70 profit, I think. Small profit there. And now it's down to 265. So I really should have held everything. I should have held Sober, ATXI, AERC, KITT. I should have held everything. And I would have made a couple $100 more today. So missed opportunity. That's right. And then all right, what else I got? So FSI. So this one was going really bad on me the past few days, but that did pull back quite a bit today, 12%. So up 330 there today. Already did Sober. REVB, shorted that one this morning. I think at 40 cents or 39 cents or something. 38 cents. Shorted this one at 38 cents. REVB. And covered at 29 cents. About $450 profit there. That was the easiest play. And yeah, now currently in MSOS, which is the 420 ETF. 420 is going crazy right now. So I'm in at 1080. Not the greatest price. It looked like a good price going in, but apparently not. So yeah, in at 1080. It's at 1210 right now, so I'm down 260 on that. What the hell is that? Oh, yeah. And then MOTS, MOTS. Shorted this one in the middle of the day. In at 289, plan to cover at 220. So currently up 330 on that. KRBP, crazy stock. Shorted that one this morning at 39. Shorted yesterday, actually. 39. I planned to cover at 30, and it just barely missed the cover by like 0.1 cents. Not kidding. I can show you guys, actually. I was really upset about this. Yeah, so the cover was at 2... Oh, no, this is the wrong one. My bad. KRBP. Here we go. Yeah, okay. So we got down here in the morning to 30.25 cents, and I needed 30 cents to cover. And then from there, it went all the way back up, 40% swing. I was up 400, and then I was down 400. Now I'm back up 170. So crazy, crazy swings here. But it should work out. It should come back down. Okay, yeah, and then KRBP. Yeah, we just did that. And then STAB. STAB. Shorted that one yesterday. 22 cents live during the show. That went totally crazy. I think it hit like 30 at one point. It was down a lot of money. But, you know, diamond balls. And now I'm actually in the green. So I think you guys have better entries than me. I think Eddie's in at 24. So he's probably up 10% right now. So I'm just barely in the green on that one right now on STAB. But still holding. You know, that should come back down. Hopefully. So yeah, a lot of plays today. Overall, I think I did pretty well. I actually don't know. But I definitely made money today. Quite a bit of money. So I will take it. You know, the past 2 days has been pretty rough for me. Well, yesterday wasn't too bad. But yeah, this week hasn't been the best for me. So not as many tendies as the previous weeks. But that's right. Koya. What's up with PSTV tie? I think they had an upgrade. Were we just looking at that? Yeah. Jones Trading buy rating $5 price target. So no specific news. No company specific news. Just a price upgrade here from a hedge fund. BSIBKR man. Yeah, dude. So you know, during days like this, when there are a lot of squeezes, they do raise the margin requirements. So you guys got to watch out on days like this when they do that. You got to watch out on your bet size because you can easily get margin called if your bet goes bad. Or you can just, so you either got to deposit more money or you got to lower your bet size. Because it seems like you guys were having trouble trading today. So sorry to hear that, but you guys missed out on a lot of tendies. So, it is kind of BS, but, you know, IBKR, it's totally understandable. They're just doing whatever they need to do to protect themselves. And you can't find the service anywhere else, so, you know. So, yeah, it is kind of BS, but I don't blame IBKR. Okay. Wow. MSOS is not going down. All right, cool. Let's do one more scan, and then we'll get to the watch list here. Show me something. If you guys haven't yet, please smash that like button. Please, thank you. Much appreciated. So Green Giant is going pretty nuts here. I still don't see anything. So nothing aftermarket happening. Which is weird because, you know, usually during days where there's a lot of squeezes, there is aftermarket action. So maybe all the squeezing is done. Okay, let's do the watch list here. Start on the green side. All right, so the Dow Jones down 1.15%. NASDAQ down 0.76%, and the S&P down 1.03%. So we started red and finished pretty deep in the red here. Not a good day. Pretty bearish day here. VIX is up 6.9%. Lol, nice. Up 1.97 points. So we're at 30.52 VIX now. So back above 30. Not good at all. So hopefully it comes back down in the short term here, but I highly doubt it. We may be stuck in this bear market volatile trading for a little bit, which is good for me. I don't care. Okay, let's check out the watch list here. So start on the green side because not much in the green. So yeah, it looks like atop the charts, all the 420. Tilray 31%, TBLT 25%. I don't know why that's moving, but Sundial 23.5%. Canopy growth, 22%. Yeah, so 420 mooning right now. Other than that, there's not much going on. There's Robinhood, 3.8%. IBKR is up today. Exxon, 3%. DWAC, 2.5%. Meme Index, 2.35% today. So memes actually did good today. Interesting. Chevron, so it looks like oil is up. Gold, Netflix, Coinbase, Palantir, Costco, Adobe, SoFi, Silver, Boeing, Meta, Google. So, yeah, not much in the green here. Just seems like mostly growth in memes, especially 420, and oil. That's about it. Cool. All right, let's get to the red side. All right, so biggest loser, AERC, Aero Clean Technologies, down 14%, which I am currently, or actually I covered it, my bad. So, yeah, not still currently in that. But I did cover that for small gain. Damn, Ethereum is down to $1? Bruh, sorry, Win. That's bad. Wasn't this just at like 6 a couple months ago? Wow. That is really, really bad. Damn, Neo, 7.9%. That's pretty rough. AVCT, 5.4%. Don't see too much here. TD went down 4.6%. Why? That's bad, especially for a bank. Mullen down 4%. Twitter down 3.7%. So I remember last time when Twitter was supposed to be bought for $54.20, and it was at like 45, and I'm like, why is no one buying Twitter right now? So, you know, everyone doesn't believe it. And it looks like now they don't believe it either, because it's at 49.39. And ideally, it would be at 54, right? If the buyout goes through. So it appears like the market still doesn't believe that the buyout's going to go through, which is pretty hilarious. CEI is down. That's interesting because every other oil stock is up. Got Domino's down 3.25%. AMC 2.85%. It looks like the bank's not doing too good today. Financials, Wells Fargo is down 2.5%. IMPP is also down, so more small cap oil. Yeah, a lot of financial institutions getting wrecked today. So down here, there's not too much price action. Probably mostly just value down here. So yeah, overall, guys, today was pretty bad. Especially in growth and memes, but also in value. Just not as much. But yeah, pretty bad for everyone, for all the bulls. Wen says FML dilution. Again? Or did they do it before? I don't think I did it today. But yeah, that's not good. It's selling off pretty hard. Oh, this is not it. Ethereum, my bad. I was looking at AVCT. Alright, direct offering. So that was 2 days ago. That was on Tuesday. So I'm not sure why this is selling off right now. But, oh, it's not selling off in the aftermarket. Yeah, that's pretty rough. I sold IMPP rebuy if it go up. Free up my money. Why would you rebuy if it goes up? You want to rebuy if it goes down, dude. You seem to do that. And this is not criticism, but it seems like you like to short stocks that are already going down, and you like to buy stocks that are already going up. When really you should be shorting stocks that are already up and buying stocks that are already down. It's actually the other way. And by the way, how are you doing on MOTS, MOTS? Because that is pulling back pretty hard now. It's at 250, 249. Hope he sold. 10 million shares, 10 million warrants. They want to do an acquisition, better be good. I thought they did do an acquisition. Doesn't that say right here? You sold at 290. All right, good, dude. Glad you hit the sell button. Okay. Cool. So there's the stock market, guys. Let's get on to crypto. And actually, one more scan. I want these tendies, but there's no plays right now. Nothing. Alright, we got nothing. What's this? Aloe. Alright, we may have something. Not yet, but we'll keep an eye on this. Okay. And I'm not seeing anything else. Who they bought? I saw it right here. Oh, it doesn't say who it is, but it says they announced the closing of the previously announced acquisition of the assets of a brand in the health and wellness category. So I think the acquisition went through, but they're not making it public who the company they acquired is, which is pretty weird. I don't know. So I don't know who they bought. They don't want to say, which is really weird. Kind of concerning, actually. All right. Sorry about the sirens, guys. But at least they're coming now and not during the TA. All right, we got something else here. Why? Not anything serious, but let me check this out. LYEL. Yep, got some news on that. So we got two potential stocks that could run right now, but they're not really running just yet. So we'll keep an eye on those. Okay. So let me pull up crypto now and the news, and let me check YouTube. Where are we at? We're at 5 viewers, 8 likes. So thank you guys. Appreciate everyone.
I appreciate you. You loyal.
And if you guys haven't yet, please smash that like button. Please, thank you. Okay. So, crypto and news. Alright, we're going to give this about 30 seconds here to finish loading. And I'm going to mute while this does finish loading. Because I don't know why there's so many damn sirens today. Oh, I guess I turned it off. That just shows you, it's not an emergency. They just want to be dickheads. There is no emergency. You don't need to turn your siren on and piss everyone off. They just do it because they want to. Want to run the light or whatever. Uh-oh. MSOS at 12:30 currently. Not good, not good. But Mott's is doing good. KRBP doing good. Oh, Stab's going the other way again. Not good. But Finger's doing good. So, I'll take it. I'll take it. Okay. Let's do it. So here's crypto. That is down 0.22% today. That was a lot of lag. Okay. Alright, let's check it out. So, yeah, slightly bearish day here in crypto. But it doesn't seem that bad at all. Let's check it out. We got Bitcoin down 0.31%, but still holding 20K. Ether up 0.85%. Binance down 1.33. XRP up 1.1. Doge down 1.8. Sheep down 1. I don't see too much price action, but I do see a fair amount of green and red. Looks pretty even. So let's do a sort. All right, we'll start on the green side. Or I guess the red side. All right, so yeah, it looks pretty split down the middle. 50-50 red and green. Biggest loser by far is Helium, 9.62%. And there is a decent amount of value on the red side here. Bitcoin Cash, Terra Classic, Chainlink, Doge, Binance, Sheeb. So not much happening today in crypto. But it does appear like the price action was stronger on the red side. Just very slightly, though. And now let's look at the green side. Uh-oh. MSOS is coming up again. The thing is holding really strong. I'm actually kind of scared. Oops, passed it. Alright, and on the green side, so same thing. Biggest gainer is Casper, 18.63%. By far the biggest gainer. Next coin is Ravencoin, 4.77%. And there also is a decent amount of value on this side as well. Uniswap, Ether Classic, XRP, Stellar. So yeah, pretty uneventful day in crypto. Not much trading, not much price action. Pretty split down the middle. 50-50 red and green, but it does appear like the red side had a little bit more price action. So that would do it, but yeah. So not a bad day in crypto, slightly bearish, just very, very slightly bearish. Pretty much nothing happened in crypto. So there you have it, guys. Pretty bad day in the stock market. Neutral to slightly bearish day in crypto. So overall, today is good. For the bulls, at least. Make it stop. Make it stop. It never ends. All right, cool. So there's the markets today. Let's get to some news now. Wait, what are those two stocks that can run, Ty? I don't know, dude. Talk about that. You talk about the 420 things? MSOS? I'm not saying it will. I'm just saying it might. And if it does, I'm going to be pretty bad shape here. It doesn't appear like it's too crazy just yet, though. I don't think it's going to squeeze. But it is holding up really well. Alright, so once again, guys, I have 3 articles today. One about Do Kwon and South Korean feds. One about tomorrow's jobs report. And one about Biden and the 420, which is no secret. But we'll get to that. All right, so first article. Key aide to Terra's Do Kwon arrested by South Korean authorities report. South Korean authorities have reportedly made the first arrest in the ongoing investigation of the Terra ecosystem collapse. Okay, so they arrested Yu Mo, head of general business operations at Terraform Labs. And he is the key aide to Do Kwon, allegedly. What I want to know is, did he get arrested in South Korea? Do Kwon claims that the feds did not freeze $40 million from him. I don't really believe this guy. Anyway, so it doesn't even say where he got arrested. Was it Singapore or was it South Korea? Anyway, so definitely not good. The feds have been on Do Kwon and his team's case for a while now, ever since Terra went down. They've been on the run, despite what they claim that they're not. They are on the run. So it looks like the feds are starting to close in now. Starting to close in on Do Kwon's most trusted friends, I guess. Or business associates. So sooner or later, they're probably going to get Do Kwon. I don't know if they legally can, but I think they're going to get him eventually. He's a wanted man. He has to be so paranoid, just going about life. Imagine being on top of the world to now being a fugitive. What a life. Okay. Next article. Friday's jobs report could be a case where the good news isn't really good. Key points. In normal times, strong job claims and rising wages would be considered a good thing. But in these days, they're exactly what the U.S. economy does not need. Economists surveyed by the Dow Jones expect the report will show that payrolls increased 275,000 in September, while the unemployment rate held at 3.7%. An upside surprise could mean a more aggressive Fed that could roil markets. Along with the headline job number, investors will be watching wage growth closely. All right, so yeah, this is going to happen tomorrow. All eyes are going to be on that. But yeah, according to experts, they think that payrolls will increase 275K and unemployment 3.7K, or 3.7%. It's going to hold that. So we shall see. Honestly, I don't really care either way. Rainbow Bear. I can trade in bull markets, trade in bear markets. Damn, MSOS is at 1242 now. Why is this holding up so well? And there's like no selling pressure. I don't know. I sure hope there's not a squeeze, but this is not encouraging. I don't know, Eddie. You might want to exit before it goes red. Because it very well could. Hope not, though. I'm going to hold it through today, see what happens tomorrow. Alright, so yeah, we'll see what happens tomorrow. But it's expected to be good. But it might be priced in already. So who knows what's going to happen. Alright, last article. So this is breaking news about an hour and a half ago. Biden pardons thousands of people convicted of 420 possession. Orders review of federal pot laws. President Joe Biden pardons all prior federal offenses of simple 420 possession. The pardons also apply to anyone in the District of Columbia convicted of simple possession of 420. Biden has also instructed Secretary of Health and Human Services Xavier Becerra and Attorney General Merrick Garland to begin reviewing how 420 is classified under federal drug laws. It's classified as a Schedule 1. Okay. That's funny. This picture is in the memes that we have later. I didn't even see that. There's a giant joint balloon. New York MJ. Biden, come on, man. That's pretty good. Alright, so, yeah. Just happened less than 2 hours ago. And as a result, so first of all, I don't even think this really makes too much of a difference because how can you get a simple 420 possession charge, a federal simple 420 possession charge? If it's something big like trafficking, then yes. But who's going to charge you on a federal level over, I don't know, an eighth or something? An ounce? I don't know what the laws are federally. So I think it'll help some people, but I don't think it's going to help that many people, to be completely honest. But hey, what do I know? That's just my thoughts right off the bat. But it definitely caused a pump in all of 420. Was it a pump or was it a squeeze? Or both? Who knows? So, yeah. 420 mooning right now because of this. Okay. So, that's all the news for today, guys. Only 3 articles. That was pretty fast. No interruptions. Alright, so let's get on to the TA. Let's do one more scan, and then we're going to do PEPG, or PEGY, my bad. not seeing... Not seeing any action. Let's do another scan. Anything running? Not that I see. Not yet. Not today. But there's PSTV, but there's no news on that. It just got an upgrade. So I'd stay away from that. But other than that, nope, not really. There's some minor stuff, but nothing worth going for. Okay. Cool, so we'll come back to this. Alright, let's do the TA today, guys. We're going to do PEGY. Pineapple Energy. And let me just check the news, but I don't think there was any news on this stock. Oh, no news. Okay. So I'm going to take a quick drink here, and we'll get started on the TA. So this shouldn't take too long. I'm going to try to hurry this up and get to this as quick as possible. Try not to bore you guys. This should only take like 20 minutes or so. And then we'll finish up with the Yolos. So it's 4:51. We are doing pretty good on time here so far. Okay. Damn, MSOS does not want to go down. This is crazy. Diamond balls, diamond balls. Should pull him back in the aftermarket here. Alright, let's do it. After this truck passes. Okay. After the truck passes, and then a siren comes. Never ever fails. I swear, it's like they know exactly what I'm... Oh, look, 2 sirens. It's like they know when I'm going to do something important, and they just want to troll me. I need to move. It wasn't this bad, and then they built a hospital. Like, recently. I'm going to mute real quick, guys. Take a drink and mute while this passes. My apologies. Alright, my bad, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna hold MSOS at least until tomorrow. I want to see tomorrow's price action. Yeah, me too. I mean, it should come down. And if we look at the 1-minute chart, 1-minute chart is pretty insane. Huge gap here back at 960. But yeah, you know, this just shot straight up to 13 bucks. And then just would not come down. It came down to below 12 very briefly. And then it's holding up really, really well here. So I don't know why. Are the shorts getting squeezed out? Are the apes where do the apes get money from? I thought everyone's broke. So yes, I do want to see what happens tomorrow. But I am low-key kind of scared that this might squeeze. It does not appear like it right now. But yeah, this it's holding up really well, which is pretty concerning. I mean, it should sell off a little bit, right? This is crazy. So we'll see what happens tomorrow. But I am hoping and praying this does not squeeze. That would suck. May have to set a stop loss early. And the FNGR is down to 7 again, so nice. Tomorrow, if the jobs report came in either way, MSOS is going to moon. That's not necessarily true. Because we just went over the news. So it appears like the job reports are going to be good. So this is what's going to happen. If it's good, everyone expected it to be good. It's going to be priced in. If it's bad, it's going to dump. Like last time with the CPI, everyone was expecting inflation to go down and actually went up. And then the whole market sold off. And even if it did go down, it was priced in. So, We'll see. We will see. But I sure hope it does not. I don't think it's going to squeeze. The price action after market does not suggest that 420 is going to squeeze, but anything can happen. Okay. What stock was it? PEGY. Right. All right. Cool, let's do it. So here is PEGY, Pineapple Energy, Pineapple Energy. This finishes at $4.55 today. That is up 64.86%. Okay. So we analyzed this stock yesterday. This was one of the major runners. Definitely short squeezing here. It was definitely short squeezing. And today it appears like, yeah, it was definitely short squeezing yesterday. Moon's in the aftermarket. And here today, the squeeze continued. The squeeze continued. It's not done just yet. So again, this was the hot stock today. Damn honking outside. So again, this was the hot stock today. Major price action. This was number 3 on StockTwits after SPY and Tesla. Had 2,700 mentions. So once again, we're going to analyze it. So no company specific news to justify this price action today. This is just a low float stock. So easily squeezable. And the apes are just keeping the buying pressure up. Diamond handing and diamond handing. And still squeezing the shorts out. So at this point, I'm very happy for all the apes. But as with every squeeze, sooner or later, eventually, this will have to pull back very significantly. So if you're up and you're still currently holding, consider taking your profits. Consider hitting the sell button and taking your profits. There's never anything wrong with that. But we'll get to that in a second. All right, let's jump right in. Let's go. All right, let's jump right in. Let's go ahead and analyze here. Okay. What do we got? Cup and handle. Descending, ascending, aftermarket, MACD. Okay. So first of all, this is a cup and handle in the making. Bottom of the cup being the low of 76 cents. Okay. And it appears like the top of the cup was $4.95. Silence my phone. And it appears like the top of the cup was $4.9. Oh my god. Why can't I just get through my show peacefully? And it appears like the top of the cup is $4.95. And if it is $4.95, that'd be a bearish indicator, because that means the cup is topped out. And is due for some pullback to form the handle. Let's see here. And longer term, this is part of an even bigger cup and handle. Let's zoom out. Where this has the potential to come all the way back up to whatever this is. 42.40. So the cup and handle can be bullish or bearish depending on where the top is, but it appears like in the short term, it's a bearish indicator, and in the longer term, it's a bullish indicator. Okay. Channels. Okay. Here we had a descending channel. Where the upper channel was around 140 and the lower channel was around 60 cents. So if this broke 140 to the upside, that'd be bullish. And if this broke 60 cents to the downside, that'd be bearish. This did in fact break 140 to the upside. So the descending channel was and oh my god. This is so ridiculous. Is it just me, or like all week the sirens have been really, really bad? God. I just lost my train of thought. And now they're blasting it. The hell was I saying? Oh, okay. So the descending channel was and still currently is a bullish indicator. And we also have an ascending channel forming here. Where the upper channel is around 490 and the lower channel is around 310. So if this breaks 490 to the upside, that'd be bullish, and if this breaks 310 to the downside, that'd be bearish. This did briefly break 490 to the upside. But came back down into this channel here. So the ascending channel is currently a neutral indicator, but right on the edge of being bullish. So the ascending channel is currently a neutral to slightly bullish, is a neutral to bullish indicator here. Okay. MACD aftermarket action. In the aftermarket here, this is pulling back down to 430. So if this aftermarket action holds, that would be a bearish indicator for tomorrow. That is suggesting that tomorrow the stock will sell off. MACD, RSI, gaps. Okay. The RSI, the relative strength index, is currently at 77. So this is officially in overbought and overvalued territory. So be careful, guys. So the RSI is a bearish indicator that is telling us that it may be time to sell. Well, that is telling us that the current price of 455 should be a lot lower. Okay. Here on the MACD, the moving average convergence divergence, the MACD line has crossed the signal line to the upside and is pulling away. So that's a bullish indicator that is telling us that it may be time to buy. Okay. Switch that back. Okay. We do have a double gap down. First gap down was back at excuse me. We did have a double gap down. First gap down was back at 795. So that's a bullish indicator that is telling us that the stock should come back up to 795 to fill this gap. Eventually to fill this gap. And the second gap down was back at 3220. So another bullish indicator that is telling us that the stock may come back up to 3220 to fill that gap. But at this point, that seems pretty unlikely. Okay. And we also have a double gap up. First gap up was created today at 304. So that's a bearish indicator that is telling us that the stock should come back down to 304 to fill this gap. And the second gap down was back at 159. So another bearish indicator that is telling us that the stock should come back down to 159 to fill this gap. And those two gaps should fill in the short term. All right, I think I got everything there. Yeah. Okay. And if you guys want to follow along, the link to the chart is in the description down below. All right, this is a bit difficult. That did not help at all. Neither did that. All right, this is a bit difficult. Whatever. We'll just go up to 580 here. And I guess down to I guess we'll just do all of them. Okay. So right now this is sitting on the support of 455, which it finished at today. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 470, 480, 495, 510, 540, 545, and then 580. There is resistance above 580, but we're not going to discuss that right now. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 450, 405, 395, 380, 370, 365, 355, 345, 335, 325, 315, 310, $3, 295, 290, 285, 280, 270, 260, 250, 245. Um, 240, 235, 230, 225, 215, 210, 205, $2, 195, 175, 170, 150, 145, 140, 110, 90 cents, 85 cents, and then the low of 76 cents. So right now at the current price, 455, the channels to the upside and the downside are very wide, so expect significant price action either way this goes. However, if/when this breaks 405 to the downside, the channels start to narrow, so expect a significant decrease in price action if/when this breaks 405 to the downside. And this did, let's see here, 80 million in volume today, which is the second biggest volume day for the stock ever after yesterday. So very significant volume, way above the average of 780,000. So this pump/squeeze today was confirmed by the volume. And it appears like the squeeze, and it appears like the squeeze is still on, but starting to lose momentum. So be careful, guys. Okay, just my opinion, not financial advice. So once again, this is an epic short squeeze, major price action. I'm very happy for it. I'm very happy for it. I'm very happy for all the apes. But at this point, this is getting a bit dangerous. But at this point, this is getting very dangerous and a bit ridiculous. And this will come crashing down in the short term. So now would be a good time to hit the sell button. PEGY going to be a big gut tomorrow? Yeah, probably. Probably. It's yet to be seen, but you're probably right. Okay. So according to the technicals, we do have more bullish indicators than bearish indicators right now. We have bullish indicators in the double gap down, MACD, ascending channel, descending channel, and cup and handle. And again, we have bearish indicators in the double gap up, RSI, aftermarket action, and also the cup and handle. So long term, the stock looks bullish, but in the short term, this appears like it's due for some significant pullback. Someone is going to get caught holding the bag. Make sure it's not you. All right. So therefore, if you want to go long, not financial advice, I would not do that, and I would not recommend that. You missed a lot of price action. You missed a lot of price action to the upside already in the past 2 days. And here at 455, I think it's a bit too late to go long. You missed your chance. And going long would be FOMO at this point. Good chance you get burned. Pull out the math here. Again, this should eventually come back up to 795 to fill the gap there. Damn, MSOS. Come on, bro. Let's do some math. What was it? 795. Again, this should eventually come back up to 795 to fill the gap there. And from the current price of 455, that would be about a 75% upside potential. So a pretty good amount of upside potential there in the longer term. And again, this should come back down to 159 to fill the gap there in the short term. And from the current price of 455, that would be about a 65% downside potential. So also some pretty big downside potential here in the short term. So I would say going long at the current price, 455 would be a high risk, high reward play. Not really worth it in my opinion. Too dangerous at this point for my liking. That being said, this is still squeezing. So you can still make money here going long. So I wouldn't do it. So if you want to go long, please do that at your own risk. And it would definitely have to be for a quick scalp. Get in, get your money, get out. But honestly, if you're a bit patient, again, this should pull back down to 159 to fill the gap there. And I think that would be an excellent entry. A way better entry than the current price of 455. And from 159 up to 795, that would be a 400% upside potential. So massive upside potential here in the longer term. And it really shouldn't go too much further to the downside. There is some very critical support at 140 to 150. So I would say going long at 159 would be a low risk, very high reward play. Definitely worth a shot in my opinion. You can't go too wrong there. So I don't like the current entry of 455 on the long side, but I can support going long at 159, and if it pulls back, then you can just average down at the supports that I mentioned before. And that should pay off pretty big in the longer term. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, looks like a pretty excellent play to me. Looks like an excellent play to me. Again, in the short term, we got some strong bearish indicators here. In the double gap down, in the double gap up, RSI and aftermarket action. Again, this should eventually come back up to 795. Five. Yeah. Again, this should eventually come back up to 795 to fill the gap there, which would be about a 75% upside potential. And again, this should come back down to 159 to fill the gap there, which would be about a 65% downside potential. So I would say going long at the current price. So I would say going short at the current price, 455 would be a high risk, high reward play. Definitely worth a shot in my opinion. It's just a little risky. It's just a bit risky. Again, because this is still squeezing. Apes are still in here. So anything can happen, although unlikely. But as long as you're able to withstand the upside risk, but as long as you're able to withstand the upside pressure, this should pull back down to 159. And that should be some pretty fat tendies on the downside here. So I can support going short at the current price, 455 and higher. And again, I would cover at 159, where the gap is, for a relatively easy 65% downside gain. All right. So in summary, the stock has been and still is short squeezing. Looks like you missed your chance going long here. I would avoid doing that. And at this point, this looks like a really good short play. A lot of downside potential here. So I can't support that. So I can't support going short. So congratulations to everyone who made money in the stock today. Consider taking profits if you're up. And good luck to everyone currently in the stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is PEGY, Pineapple Energy. Okay. So that wasn't too bad. Took about half hour or so with interruptions. So yeah, I'll be working on this video after the show. But all right, guys. So it is now 5:22. I said 1.5 to 2 hours. Looks like we're gonna go about hour 45 minutes today, maybe. So right in between there, doing pretty good on time here. All right, let's do a quick scan, and then let's finish up with the Yolos. But I'm really not seeing much here. Not much aftermarket action today. Like, at all. Payo? What is that? Nope. Alright, nothing going on here. Let's check Market Chameleon. Alright, also says nothing happening. Alright, cool. So do me a favor, guys. Please smash the like button if you haven't yet. Let me actually see where we're at on YouTube. 5 viewers, 9 likes. So everyone's still here. Appreciate everyone. It's been like this lately. Not much chatting, but you guys are lurking. So just want to let you guys know. I see you guys. I see you lurkers. Appreciate everyone.
I appreciate you. You loyal.
Okay. So last order of business. Wow. These motorcycles are loud. Let's finish up with the Yolos. So, give me a second here. Gotta pull them up. Alright, so we're going to do 10, and then I'll pull up the other 5, so this doesn't have loading overload. Okay. So we're going to give this a minute to finish loading, and we'll get started here. I'm going to take a quick drink, and check out my stocks real quick. Stab is coming down. Nice. Stab is down to 20 cents now. Let's go. Finally. Took all day, but it's finally coming down. I forgot where my cover is on that, actually. 17 cents. Alright, so we still got another 3 cents to go here. but good start. FSI holding 283. MOT's down to 250 now, so I need another 30 cents on that. That's going well. KRBP pulling back. And my only concern is MSOS right now. It is not coming down. That is not good. In hindsight, I probably should not have gone for this, or at least I should have waited for a better entry. So I kind of shot myself in the foot here. My own fault. That's all right. Wow, AERC's sub 4 now. Oh, man, I should have... Why didn't I hold that? And ATXI's at 6, bruh.
Bruh.
Like, why didn't I just hold AERC and ATXI? I chickened out. I panic covered. I mean, I'm not complaining about $800 profit, but could have been more. Could have been $1,200. More than that, actually. Okay, I don't know why this is taking so long to load. I think I just need to install an update. Windows Update. Probably stuff downloading in the background here. Alright, whatever, let's do it. Okay, guys, so today this should be fun. We have 15 Yolos. So, more than usual. Half of them are memes, though. And then the other half is gain and lost corn. But yeah, a lot of good content today. This should be fun. Let's do it, guys. This first one is by 5K4. Tuttle Capital files for Inverse Kramer ETF LOL. Alright, so, yeah. I'm pretty sure there's a few of these already. But yeah. Tuttle Capital Management, Inverse Kramer ETF. It's SJIM. SJIM. It's Jim? This is Jim? Short Jim. I think that's what it stands for. So, is it live? I don't think it's live yet. Jim? Nope, not live yet. Not on TD, at least. So, I'm not saying you guys should go for this, but if you guys want to inverse Kramer, now you can. I mean, I think you can already can, but this makes it a lot easier. There's an ETF, SJIM. And there's also... So, it's like the same thing as SARK. SARK? SARK, which is the short, Cathy Wood fund. Now we got a short Jim Crimmer fund. So, have fun, apes. And shout out to whoever did this. This was much needed. Alright. By Freddie Mac 1. Alright, so I thought this was pretty funny, because I can relate very well with you guys about this. This one is close to home. Alright, so my friends when I was a teenager. Got all these emo kids and whatever. My friends when I was in college. Got your Wojak and your Chads and your hot chick over there. And my friends now. And you got Pepe, your 420, the bong. What is that, bourbon? I don't really drink alcohol, but I do love me some 420. I don't really use Twitter much either, but yeah, so my friends now. So I consider you guys to be my friends, right? So I don't think all you guys do this, but I know me. I just blow down the smoke, and I get to trading. Not good for the show, though, but it does help. Well, it doesn't help, but it definitely keeps me calm during trading, so I don't panic and panic cover and lose my diamond balls. But yeah. So I can totally relate to this. Just ripping the bong, grinding every day. Yeah, so I can relate to like Eddie and Punk Skater and Ken, and I'm not sure who else, smokes the 420, but yep, very relatable. Okay. So we saw this before, but I didn't even know this was on CNBC. But yeah, by Fenton 7, we did it, guys. Be sure to submit all your lost corn for reimbursement. So this is the joint balloon, the New York MJ Biden Come On Man balloon. Biden to forgive all 2022 stonk losses. The Wall Street Bet influence campaign worked. Imagine if Biden forgave all the stonk losses.
Bruh.
If that was real, I go crazy right now. YOLO everything. Just YOLO everything. Because you're on a free roll. I'll just YOLO SPY. Whatever. F it. If I lose, Biden, give me my money back. I like this idea. I really, really like this idea. We should do it. How do I contact the president? If only, right? Or at least forgive 10K, right? In stock losses, like you did for the for everyone else irresponsible with the student loans. I smoked the inverse 420. What is inverse 420? I don't even want to know, actually. Okay. I'd rather smoke than drink alcohol. Yeah. So, totally agree. I'm not much of a drinker. Like, I really don't like alcohol. Except if it's, gotta keep it PG here. But, unless it's 304 juice, if you know what I mean. The sweet stuff that sneaks up on you. Otherwise, I'm good with my 420. Love me some 420 all day, every day. It does get expensive, though. But this is what the tendies are for. For the weed. All right. All right, can't give credit here. I wish I could trade like Bezos's ex-wife. Okay. So who is your favorite trading hero? Jeff Bezos' ex-wife. So yeah, this is the Amazon chart, right? So married here, whenever the hell this was, 1990, before I was even born, 1995, something like that. And divorced here. So, yep. Buy low, sell high. She cashed in. Bro. Mackenzie Bezos. You want to be my sugar mama? So, question. How does one become the richest woman in the world? You divorce the richest man in the world. Well, he's not the richest man anymore after he got divorced. But, yes. If you want to be the richest woman in the world, you just divorce the richest man in the world. Inspiration to women everywhere. I'm being sarcastic. But good stuff here. He said sugar mama. Hey, don't lie. You would have her as a sugar mama too. She ain't that bad looking. Just give me some money to YOLO. I need more YOLO money. I need this tendy money. You know, blow her back out. Give me $1 million. We're good. I can run that up to $1 billion. All right, by Kneels Before Dawes. Xmas done early. Back to gambling. All right, what do we got here? So we got different flavor ramen. I've actually never had any of these, except the chicken flavor. I've never had roast beef ramen. What is Oriental ramen? What the hell is that? Okay. And creamy chicken flavor. So it's chicken and creamy chicken? Okay. No idea what these taste like. But, you know what? This is not such a bad idea. If you're poor, what are people going to say to you? You know, are they going to hate your gift because you can't afford it for them? Better than nothing. So yes, so I haven't eaten ramen in a while. I actually eat the bougie ramen from Costco in the bowls and stuff. But yes, back to gambling. I agree. All right, by Diamonds Are Forever. Another classic scene at my local library. Burr. All right, so I think this is a play on a parody of the Bearstein Bears. That's what it's called? I haven't read this in a while, ever since I was in like elementary school. I think it's called the Bearstein Bears, right? So what do we have here? The Bears are effed. F your puts. Jerome Powell. Well, it's not just your puts. It's your calls, too. F your calls and F your puts. F everyone. F the UN, right? We're not gonna listen to them. Shout out to J-Pal. Staying on J-Pal. Can't give credit. After doing my homework, I have absolutely concluded the following to be factual. So, on SPY. SPY is immune to all viruses, including C-19, recessions, potential real estate crashes, hurricanes, financial conspiracy theories, crashing world currencies, collapsing banks, Michael Burry, North Korea, Elon's tweets, Russia-Ukraine issues, and possible nuclear exposure. Not immune to J-Pal. One man with so much power. Hey, J-Pal, I really don't care as long as I'm making my attendees. Do whatever you want, dude. All right, let's get to the corn here. Well, actually, this is not the corn yet, but let's get to the numbers. This is by Control Plus Z. Bought 1.1 million worth of S&P 500 yesterday in my 401k. Okay. So, I really, really like this. And I know that's like some boring boomer stuff. But this is how you invest. This is real investing. You know, you save up your money and you buy the dip. You buy index funds. You buy ETFs, you know, very blue chip value stuff. Not FD Yolos. So yeah, a lot of money. Buy the dip. Very safe, conservative securities. So yeah, you know, he bought the dip, and this will pay off really big in the longer term. If not for him, for his, you know, the future generations to come. So this is definitely not an ape play. This is a boring boomer play, but well done, well done. The apes should take note of this. Learn something from this. This is investing, not all in FD YOLO, Tesla, GameStop, whatever. So Control Plus Z, thanks for posting. Show these tips how it's done, and congrats to you for the future. All right, by Intelligent Choice 48. Definitely reviewed this guy yesterday. Oh, this is an update. Okay. So here's an update. So I think this was a 200K Tesla YOLO. So these expired next Friday, October 14th. 265.5 and 270 calls. Let's check that out. Yeah, I don't know about that. I mean, there is a gap there. But will it get there next week? I don't know, dude. What does the option say? What does Delta say? Delta says I don't even have Delta here. How do I I do not know how to use TD. I gotta figure this out later. Is it studies? I don't know what Delta is. Whatever. Alright, so I don't know what Delta is, but this looks not good. This does not look like it's gonna work. So it's down 10K today, 10.5K. Still got 200K in value here. I don't know, dude. I'd probably cut it. You know, losing 10K out of 210K is really not that bad. But it can get a lot worse. So I'd just be safe here and cut it. But you do you, dude. I trust you. So, Intelligent Choice 48, thanks for posting. Good luck to you, dude. I don't know what you're doing here. I mean, I do know what you're doing. You're being a complete degen, which I don't recommend. But, you know, good luck to you. Hope it works out. And please post updates. Want to see how this goes. It's probably going to end up with you losing 200K. But please post updates. All right. This is by AQ Clubs, Ace Queen of Clubs. Poker hand. First gain corn. Bye-bye corporate life. Until you blow up your account, right? So, I think he started with 200K, it looks like, and he ran it up to 1.35 million. Nice. Now, I don't know how you run it up that high, 418% in 1 year. It has to be FDs, right? It has to be put. It has to be options. Probably puts. So, a bit risky, but glad it worked out. Dude, you should chill out. Bye-bye corporate life for now, until you make a mistake, you blow up your account, and back to corporate life. So, you know, if you don't want that to happen, you got $1 million, dude. Just chill out, cash it out, buy SPY index funds, ETFs, whatever. And enjoy your life, dude. But this is Wall Street Bets, and these are apes here, so I fully expect this guy to YOLO his $1 million and quite possibly lose it. So, congrats to you on your gain corn. I don't know what you did, but it seems highly risky, and I don't recommend anyone do this. I don't know what you did, but it's a bad idea. And yeah, dude, so congrats on your gains, and at this point, just chill out. Enjoy your tendies. Don't go crazy in the future. You got a lot of YOLOs there, low roller. If we got time, we'll do it, but we're running out of time here. Alright, got 5 more from myself, and possibly some from low roller. Damn, MSOS is at 250 now, bro. What is going on? Alright, let's give this a few seconds to finish loading here. Yeah, MSOS is at 1250. Not good. Not good at all. Huh. I just don't get how Biden expunging your record equals meme stock squeeze, or equals 420 squeeze. It doesn't make any sense. Hey, a lot of apes are going to lose their money there. All right, let's continue. By C Benefit, 1818, 1,000 to 35,000 in 1 month. What the hell? So, yep, he's up 2,800% in the past month. Absolutely insane. This has to be FDs. This has to be FDs. Yeah, SPY puts. Yep, that'll do it. So, I guess he got really, really lucky in the past month because he just kept YOLOing and YOLOing more SPY puts, and it paid off. But, you know, this is not typical. This is just straight up luck, to be completely honest. So, I'm glad for your gains, dude. But, you know, don't be overconfident. This is not you. Reality check. And if you continue to do this, you will lose your money. I can promise you that. So, just cash it out, dude. Enjoy your tendies. 2,800%. That is absolutely insane. And, yeah, you know. Maybe you can keep going with the FDs and stuff, but don't YOLO your whole account. You got money to work with now. So I'm not sure what you're going to do from here. But, yeah. Fat gains. Congrats to you. And good luck, man. Alright, by significant cap, 1141. So another one. 1K to 38K in 5 months. So that's 5 months, not 1 month. But still pretty impressive. 3,300%. So started with AMD calls. moved on to SQQQ calls. Okay. Yeah, we're not going to look at all this stuff. And Oxy as well. And Chevron. So a whole bunch of FDs here. So again, really risky, not typical. Really more luck than anything. So, congrats on the gains, but if you keep doing this, you will lose your money. I promise you that. So, maybe just chill out and do smaller increment YOLOs, because you have money to work with now. And here comes the gang of motorcycles down the street. So, congrats to you, dude. Really well done. I mean, it's not your doing. But, yeah, you got lucky here. And, yeah, at this point, just enjoy the tendies. You know, chill out. Don't do anything dumb. Damn. MSOS is at 1260 now, bro. This is not good. This is not good. Oh, boy. Although Stab is coming down quite a bit now. Where's my cover at? 17. It's at 18.5 now. Okay. You printed those tennies on Stab, Eddie? It's getting there. It's 18.20 now. 18.2. Alright. This is by... Can't read it. You can read it yourself. Just when I thought I was out, they pulled me back in. So this is the lost core now. Alright. What we got here? Yeah, so in the past 2 years, he's down 1.1 million bucks.
And it's gone.
And that is how you blow up your account. In 2 years. So he went from about 1.4 mil to 1.4 mil to about 285K in 2 years here. So I'm not sure what he did, but this has to be FD YOLOs or meme stocks or both. So this is typical. This is what's going to happen if you want to be stupid and be a degenerate gambler. Not what we saw before. This is what's typical. This is what's going to happen to you. And yeah, you know, and you bet these big amounts and you're just going to blow up your whole account. So let this be a warning to all the apes that think they're a genius. It's luck. So the guy still has 300K, which is a lot of money. He'll be okay. But damn, that's how you blow up $1 million being a degen. So epic loss core here. So yeah, Feisty. Sorry for your loss. Not really. Totally your fault. But I know this hurts. But he still got 300K. Be responsible. Make smart decisions. Alright, by Moonshot. 4 mental health crises later. So another guy who blew up his account here. So at the peak in December, which was when the market was at the all-time high, about 95K, and now he's down to about 10K, it looks like.
And it's gone.
So this is most definitely FD YOLOs. Looking at the chart, there's no way it isn't. So yeah, at the peak, and then he lost everything, blew up his whole account, and somehow grinded it back slowly, and then blew it back up to 70K, and right back down to 10K. So, wow, what a ride. Some crazy, crazy swings here. What up, Punk Skater? What's up? Very important PSA message. Ass. What type of ass? You like just big fat ass, or like athletic booty, or like athletic firm shaped round booty, or like not like a fat booty, but fat in the booty. You know, there's like different types of booties. Personally, I like me some athletic, toned, firm booty. Doesn't matter the size, just has to fit your body. Georgia Peach ass. Alright, got you, dude. Nice.
Winning.
Your Giants lose this weekend against Packers? Not my Giants. I mean, I root for the Giants, but I like the Jets. I mean, that's to be expected, right? Packers are nice. I mean, the Giants are actually pretty decent, exceeding expectations. Anyway, so yeah, Moonshot 69. Pretty ironic name. It's more like, should be more like Go 69. But yeah, so sorry for your loss. Not really. Totally your fault. This is super degen FD stuff. I don't feel bad. So I hope you learned your lesson. Clearly not. But maybe third time's a charm, and you learned your lesson this time. So, you'll be alright, dude. Crazy chart here. Crazy loss. Alright, last one. So, low roller. We're running out of time here. We gotta go at 6, so my apologies. I can't do your Yolos today. We're just going to finish with this last one, do a quick scan, and get out of here. Alright. Also by Moonshot 69. It's called Autisme. What language is that? So yeah, we see here, clearly, Bed Bath & Beyond calls, GME calls, super ape. And I think all time he's down 30k. It says right here, down 30k. So, yep, that would do it. That would do it. Buying $80 calls for Bed Bath & Beyond, $60 calls for Bed Bath & Beyond, that would do it. So, total super ape here. And that's how you blow up your account. Take notes, guys. Inverse Wall Street bets. Inverse the apes. Wow. MSOS is at 1262 now. Come on, bro. This is crazy. To you, New York Giant is Lakers of New York football team. Jets is like LA Clipper. No, because the Giants are bad and the Lakers are actually good. Or they're generally good. Giants are generally bad. Do you go to work and be like, today might be the day you quit? Today was one of those days? Well, fortunately, I haven't gone to work in like years. I haven't had to have a job in a long time. But I feel you, dude. Yes, I have felt like that. Hang in there. It'll get better. It'll get better. But yeah, that's, you know, slave wage job, 9 to 5. That's not for me. So, you know, stack your money, put in the market, and you can quit on your own terms. One of these days. 100 shares left for tops. Yeah, Ken, I'm not seeing where you're seeing these shares. Maybe it's your app, but every time you say there's shares, I'm looking at it and there are no shares. So I don't know what you're looking at, dude. See, I'm looking at tops right now. 0 shares available, low inventory. So I don't know what you're looking at. You may be reading the margin requirement. So it says right here. Low inventory. 0 availability. Kind of hard to see. You are probably not going to get a fill, dude. And plus, why would you... Dude, don't short tops. Don't short tops. It already went down so much. Dude, I told you. If you're going to short, you got to short stuff that's high. And if you're going to go long, you got to go long on stuff that's low. You don't short stuff that's already low, and you don't go long on stuff that's already high, dude. That's how retail gets burned. So don't short tops, dude. It already went down too much. You want something to short, actually, there's nothing really good to short right now. Not that I see. I tried, but no share. Yeah, you gotta keep the order open, dude. You gotta keep it open. It doesn't seem like you keep the order open. It seems like if there's no shares, you don't even put in the order, dude. You gotta keep the order open, and you will get filled. It might take a day. It may take a couple hours. It may take a day, but you will get filled eventually. So just keep the orders in, and short stocks that run, and long stocks that go down. Not long stuff that already ran and short stuff that already went down. Worst place to work, McDonald's, Walmart, or Amazon? I did work at Amazon. I can't speak about McDonald's and Walmart. I know people who worked at McDonald's and Walmart. So you hear horror stories about Amazon online, but personally, I never had, at least in my warehouse, it was never that bad at all. Actually, I mean, it was long hours and pretty physical, but it wasn't that bad of a work environment. But then again, maybe it's just because my warehouse was chill. Because I have heard some horror stories. Are you going to baseball game tonight? That's why you're leaving? No, it's just getting late. It's 6 o'clock. I'm pretty tired. I actually did not sleep last night. And I just been talking a lot, and I just honestly want to go. That's it. So, 2-hour show today. That's what I said. No longer than that. So, yeah, we're going to get out of here. SNDL pumping today. All of the 420 is pumping today. Stab dropping bad finally. Yeah, I see that. It's at 1850 now. You must be printing on that because you got a better price than me. So I plan to cover at 17. Took the whole aftermarket to finally bring this down. So yeah, there's that. Oh my god, MSOS is going nuts. It's at 1270 now. That is not good. That is not good at all. It legit might be squeezing. I'm kind of scared. It's at 1274. This is like low-key squeezing, dude. I should not have gone for this. I don't know why I did. So I'll hold it for one day. But if it starts squeezing tomorrow, I don't know. I might be out. This is pretty scary. Alright, so let's do one more scan. Oh, it's below 18 now, dude. It's at 7. It's yeah. It's in the $17.17 range. We're getting there. All right, NVIV is mooning. I don't know why. No news. That's weird. Yeah, no aftermarket action. Actually, what's this? LXEH? Nope. Alright, nothing going on here. I'm still trying to get beat, too. I'm going back for beat. That may not be a good idea, but whatever. Want my revenge trade on that. Alright, so nothing going on in the aftermarket here. Damn, AERC went down to 4 and ATXI went down to 6, bro. Wow. Wow. Man, that should have been another $500 there. And kit also, that should have been another. Should have been 700. That sucks. I need MSOS to come down. Let's check it out, actually. Look at this. This is legit squeezing. Where's the sell pressure? There's no sell pressure. It's just buy. Overbought, and then it just doesn't come down. Yeah, this is going really bad. But the chart is insane. Look at the chart. I don't know. Is everything squeezing? Everything is squeezing. All the 420 stocks look the same. They're not coming down. They just keep going up. They're all doing it. They're all doing it. Huh. That may be a problem. So this is going to break the daily high today, for sure. Ugh. I don't know. I feel like I should cut now, but I don't want to. But I feel like this is going to squeeze tomorrow. Legit. All right, well, for now, diamond balls. But I'm not feeling good about this going into tomorrow. So at least today I made some good money. If anything, I give 400 back. Your aunt is happy Tilray pumping today? Yeah, but she's in for like, I don't know, $12, so a long way to go. All right, guys. So that is the show for today. So I said 1.5 to 2 hours. We finished exactly 2 hours in. So good stuff. Hope you guys enjoyed. I didn't have too much content, but a lot of people came in and chat. So slow show getting started, but ended pretty strong. A lot of people came in and chat towards the end. So do me a favor, guys. If you haven't yet, please smash the like button. Please and thank you. Before I get out of here. You don't want to end up losing money to DWC last year. No, honestly, that wasn't even that bad. And yes, I adjusted the strategy. So, I don't go for IPOs anymore. That's not going to happen ever again. Alright, let's get out of here, guys. So, thank you to all the regulars, all the lurkers, new people. Appreciate everyone. Hope you guys enjoyed. Catch you guys on Discord. Hopefully tomorrow, more attendees. Stab's at 18 now. Alright, cool. Let's get out of here. Thanks everyone for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please like the video. Please subscribe and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out. Peace out.